If you're taking attendance for morning care or aftercare on an internet browser, here's how you do it. I'm going to open Safari, and this screen pops up for the Kinderlime login. Now, if that doesn't open right up, it should also be saved in your favorites. So I've opened a new tab using the plus button on the upper right, and I'm going to go to Kinderlime Student Sign In. It won't let me in just yet. I have to sign in, so once I do that, and I log in, this is going to take me to my home page. This isn't exactly what we want. We want the student sign in. So if I go back to that list of favorites by clicking the plus button to open a new tab, I'm going to click the student sign in link that's in my favorites. To sign a student in, I'm going to create a sign in using the create sign in button on the upper right. I'll click sign in attendance. And here we can search for a student by name. We can search for them by room, so if a student is assigned to a specific room, or we can search by tags. So you'll notice here that some students are able to go to Codeverse on certain days, so those tags are filtered here as well. Now, if I'm signing some students in, I'm going to look for them by name. I'll sign them in here. And once I check all the boxes that I needed to check, I'll click Continue. Here, I want to select the room that I'm signing them in for. So if I'm in the Biggs Aftercare, I'll be signing them into Aftercare years 2 through 6. We might be updating those names, but it should be clear when you look at the list which one yours belong to. And then you'll have them signed in by your name. This should be today's date. You can't change it. And the time, though, you can. So if you're recording their attendance a little bit late, maybe they got there at 3:30 and you're just signing them in by the time it's 3:45, you can put in 3:30 here, and then it'll save that time appropriately for you. Then we'll click sign in. You'll see they show up right down here. Their sign in room is listed next to it, and their timing and all of that good stuff. If I've made a mistake or I need to transfer them to a different room or update their sign-in time, I can do that if I select the students that need to be updated. And then I will use this menu that says Select Batch to change sign-in room. And I think John Garrison, he actually belongs in free aftercare today. So we'll do that and we'll click Update. And then it'll transfer him into that room. And this can be done with multiple students at a time. This is just for example purposes. And since these two aren't actually signed in today, I'm going to go ahead and batch delete. When you finish this, when you finish all of your sign in for the day and you're closing up and you're putting everything away, plug the iPad in, make sure it's charged, and then just make sure you click your profile icon in the upper right and log out.